Turmeric with milk. You will need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of milk. Honey, optional. What you have to do: boil the milk in a saucepan. Add turmeric powder to this and stir continuously. Add honey for flavor and drink this before it turns cold. How often you should do this? Do this daily before your bedtime. How this works: while turmeric is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, milk contains a sedative amino acid called tryptophan. When combined, milk and turmeric can help relax your jaw muscles and relieve the pain associated with teeth grinding. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.